Hi, hello, my dear all. Hope you are enjoying with the lecture, mini lecture in the YouTube. Yes, now we are with the definition of the research, and again we are reviewing the Unit 1 syllabus. This is as for the INC, Indian Nursing Council Nursing Research Syllabus. Either for the third year, some university follows, and the fourth year, some universities are following. And today, here we will see about the definition of the research. Okay, and as a definition of the research, the word of the research is derived from a French term which is researcher. That is researcher. So what is re? Re is once again, and once again. Okay, what is a searcher? Is we are looking for, we are examining, we are testing, and we are proving. What we are going to test and what we are going to look and what we are going to prove. We are going to prove the answers for the questions. Yes, the my dears, the research in the sense it is a re here. Re is again and again and again. Search is we are searching for. So again and again and again we are going to search the answers for the questions what it is present in our mind. And these questions will be changing from time to time and disciplines to discipline, area to area. And here is the definition of the research. The research is a process. Yes, it's a process. It goes in order. It is a systematic, yes, it gathers steps. And always it is done to get an accurate answers for the questions what it is present in with us. And here the accurate answers we would like to get by using a scientific method. And this is about Clover and the Bastley in the year of 1979. And next we are seeing here another one definition of the research. It can be defined as a systematic. Yes, it is having a process or order, and it's objective analysis. What is objective? Objective here is the person who is doing the research. That is a researcher. If you are going to find out the question for an answer, you are the objective analyzer. If I am doing, I am the objective analyzer. And recording of controlled observation. So whatever we would like to observe, we are keeping within our control. Example, the experiment which we are doing or the research which we are doing in our lab. Okay, and this is leading to the development of generalization. So whatever the result we are getting because of our research or whatever the answers we are getting, that we are going to generalize, and we can formulate a philosophies, or we can it's not philosophy, it's a principle. We can formulate a theories, and this may be resulting in predictions and as well as a possible ultimate control of the events. And this is the author who has given the definition for this. So this is about the definition of the research. It is systematic, objective analysis, recording of controlled observation that may lead to the development of generalization or principles or the theories or resulting in the predictions and possible ultimate control of the events. And here for the present scenario, we are having a example, that is coronavirus. So for the coronavirus, we are having a corona vaccines, and these vaccines we have done with the help of the research. We had a question in our mind how to prevent the coronavirus, and the answer is the corona vaccines. We didn't get the answers directly. We have done the research in the lab. We have done the research in the lab, and the research is done in a systematic, and the research is done in an objective analysis. That is a scientist who has done this research, and it has been recorded in a controlled observation. Yes, in the labs it has been controlled, and the development of generalizations taken place. Yes, it is taken place globally. The corona vaccines is administered. Yes, my dear, hope you also have taken the corona vaccine. Okay, see you all in the next video with a new topic, that is characteristics of good research. No. Yes. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.